Hello everyone. Today we will show a gardening work we did for a villa near Suratkal. When we first came here, there was literally nothing done in terms of gardening. Just the house construction was completed, full raw site, red soil everywhere, no proper planning outside. So this wasn't just a show up and plant kind of job. We were involved in planning the structure. And the client was like, we want something clean, modern, and also green. That's when we came up with this whole concrete planter concept. Instead of doing regular garden with random planting, we said, let's build structured concrete boxes along the compound wall, mix of square and rectangular planters, and keep it minimal. The client really liked the idea. After that, their civil team executed the entire structure exactly like planned, and honestly, they did a solid job. By the time we came back, all the concrete work was done and ready for planting. Now comes our part. First we sourced good quality red soil and then the plants. So in these square boxes we decided to go with red palm because it gives height, nice tropical feel, and visually it stands out really well in a structured planter like this because of the color contrast. Then in the long rectangular beds we didn't want anything too heavy. We needed something neat, colorful, and low maintenance. Ixora, Melastroma, and Rose are perfect flowering plants for this place because they flower well in sunlight, easy to maintain, and gives that continuous color pop along the pathway. These two big cement pots are for bougainvilleas, which are to be kept on the entrance. This is the visual we saw when we visited the place after 2 weeks of our planting. Everything has space to breathe and it's not overcrowded. That gives visually very premium look. So yeah, this is how the whole journey went for this site, from just a villa structure to a planned garden setup. Let me know what you guys think about this design. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such videos and share the video with your family and friends. You can also check our short videos for gardening ideas and plans. Thank you for watching.